but in the background I'm playing a little Grandmaster Flash and the Furious 5, singing fresh. Thanks for tuning in. So we're here for another Fresh Friday, and what I wanted to show you today is how to make fresh smoothie baggies and smoothie bowls, because a lot of people, fresh, hold on, let me turn that down. I'm back. So we're gonna make some fresh smoothies today. So a lot of people, they have issues with breakfast, you know, like they just like rush out of the house, or you know, like if you're doing intermittent fasting, that's something good too. So you might skip through breakfast and maybe have this for lunch, or like an early lunch. And so this is a really good thing to have as like a smoothie, and because there's so much you can pack into a smoothie. You know, you can do like so many good things for you inside the smoothie, and it's all hidden inside there, and it's great for kids because, you know, kids, as you guys know that have kids, like I do, they don't like a whole lot of stuff, so you can hide a lot of things in a smoothie. But a lot of people I talk to, they're like, you know, I can't really get the smoothie stuff going because I'm like rushing out of the house, and it's just too much for me to like put all those things together. So, you know, I didn't come up with the idea. I like to say that I came up with the idea, but you know, I want to encourage you to do this. Have this idea for yourself, is to just make smoothie bags, right? Because I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically, you know, what you do is you take these sandwich bags, super easy. Oh my gosh, your head's going to explode. Okay, so what you do is you take everything that would go in a smoothie. So you got your greens, your organic greens, like, you know, because they like basically disappear in the smoothie, okay? Hey guys, thanks for joining. So put your organic greens. I like organic spinach. I think, you know, spinach is like, doesn't have that bitter flavor, you know, but you can hide kale with certain things too. So I got some organic spinach today. And then we got, you have your organic berries, and you could do like blueberries or strawberries, or, you know, like whatever your best berry flavor is. So you take like you take your favorite fruit, but not a lot. Berries are the lowest sugar. So like that's really my fave, you know, because otherwise, you know, fruit's really good for us, but it can be too much sugar, right? So berries are really good when it comes to putting fruit in your smoothie. And then what do we got here? We got like, you put your flaxseed in, you put your fiber, that's really good. And then like you can put your protein powder in, your favorite protein powder. You know, a lot of people miss this because they're like just putting like their almond milk or their coconut milk and fruit. But you know, you can put so much in a smoothie. So, you know, put in your fiber, put in your superfoods, and while you're blending it up, you hide it all in there. So I like this, total vegan. You know, like I put my camera so far away, so I can't even like see your comments, but I'm gonna try. So you put your favorite protein powder in there. Right now, we're doing the complete detox New Year's kickoff. So woohoo! We're doing that right now. This is not our detox powder, but this is an actual, a great one from Numedica, total vegan. And it has like daily detox support too. And it's a 4-to-1 protein to carb ratio. It's really good. Like I'll put that in the link below when I'm done. Total vegan's awesome. So you want to make sure that it's a good quality one, because there's so many poor quality protein powders out there, and it could just be like a weak link in your diet. Okay, what else have we got going on? We have your berries, you have your spinach, you have your fiber. You know what? You throw in some, we talked about coconut oil last Friday. It's so good for you. Little MCT oil, it extracts all the great things out of coconut oil, and it helps burn fat. So really it just burns like a carbohydrate, and it increases lipolysis. So you put a little of that coconut oil in there. Hey guys, love you. And so what we're gonna do next is, you know, you put everything dry in these baggies. You know, you put your protein powder, you put your fruit, you put your, you know, your greens, you put your flax, I said that, and what you do is, in your maca, like if you have any superfoods or bee pollen you're using, just dump it all in these baggies. Whoop, that's all you do. And then like you just put everything, you got all these baggies done for the week, you got your smoothies for the week. it's so crazy simple. So definitely do your smoothie bags because it's gonna save you time, it's gonna save you money. You know, just think like if you get super hungry and you're going out, you know, for like something like number one, you're wasting money, and number two, you're getting like a poor choice, you know, whether you find something out and about and at drive-through, you know that stuff's not good for you. So plan ahead, make your smoothie bags, you're gonna love it. And then like what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make a smoothie bowl. And the reason why these are so good is because like some people, like they're like not in the mood for smoothies, and like, trust me, I know, like I get burnt out on smoothies too all the time. So making a smoothie bowl is such a great thing because it's very thick. It's like a cereal without the grain, without the sugar. And you know what? Like you can add so much fun stuff on it too. So we're gonna make that right now, okay? Who's excited? Okay, so what I got in here so far is just like a frozen banana, that's it. So we're gonna make a green smoothie bowl. Okay, so what you do is take like a frozen banana. So with the smoothie bowl, like you wanna make it really thick, right? So it's more like you can eat it with a spoon. Hey guys! And so I'm so glad. I really like offering these too. This is really fun for me to do. So I'm glad you're tuning in. So okay, so then since we're gonna put like some spinach in this, okay? And this is the Grandmaster smoothie bowl. So like about like 2 handfuls of spinach, right? And then what we're gonna do, I'm trying to stay in the picture here. And then what I got here is an avocado. So a lot of things make your smoothie bowl thick, right? You can do an avocado, you can do a banana, you can add ice. All those things help thicken the smoothie bowl. Okay, so then obviously like we wanna make sure that we're gonna be having some protein with this because protein helps keep us feel full and satiated till the next meal. So add your protein to that. And then, you know, if you want to add any extras, like we talked about maca last time, maca's super good for our hormonal health. And so, but the thing of it is with maca, especially if you have high blood pressure, or if you feel like hyper, like me, obviously, so you want to do like a smaller scoop of maca, like really small, like, you know, you don't want a whole tablespoon just for yourself. You just want like a teaspoon, that like a little dab will do ya with this maca stuff here. Okay. So next, obviously, we want some fat burning properties to this smoothie bowl, right? Thumbs up. Okay, so we're gonna add in a little MCT oil for that fat burning effect, right? Give me a thumbs up if you're in for that one. So again, like, you know, just maybe a teaspoon or 2. You don't have to like put a bunch of oil in. And so, okay, the next thing we're gonna add here is a little coconut milk. You know, I like the unsweetened because, you know, you can get a lot of sugar and all you're really looking for is like that creaminess, okay? So we're gonna add a little bit of this, you know, not a lot, because the thing of it is here, guys, we want it to be like nice and thick, okay? So like maybe we'll add a little bit more. We'll see, you know, obviously like I don't measure here, so like we're gonna see how this goes. And so am I missing anything? I don't know, I can't hear you. But I can see your comments. Okay, the reason I like this Vitamix too, oh, you can't see it, this is the Vitamix, is because you have this great big stick so that you can stir it around when it's like, especially with thick things, you know, so like I make cauliflower mashed potatoes in here. Vitamix is awesome. Thumbs up for Vitamix. Who loves those, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do, right here, so we're gonna pour this in our bowl here. We got like this nice, you can't see here, this nice like thick green goodness right here, okay? And then if that wasn't like so super cool for like green soup, right? We're gonna make it even better with some toppings. So this is where like you can get wild and crazy with it, but you know, really it's about color. So like you wanna add things and like, you know, we eat with our eyes, right? So like make it appealing. Like I think oftentimes like, you know, we're like rushing around, and I'm so guilty of this too. But like we're just like eating things on the run, and we're just like eating, and it's like it doesn't really look good. But if you take time to like make your food look pretty, I should probably like talk and do this at the same time, right? Because you guys have some things to do, right? It's Friday. And but seriously, like this is like the best thing for color. You get all your antioxidants in, you get fiber, and so I just want to show you how pretty this can look. Okay, so we're gonna add some sliced banana, just a couple, and this is like so filling. You could probably do, you know, share this with somebody special, right? So then you add your berries. And what I like to do is like add some crunchy stuff too, like in between. So what's crunchy that you like? I mean, I got a couple things here. I got sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are always good. So you can like sprinkle a couple sunflower seeds down the pike there. And then you can do, maybe you want to add even more protein, right? Because like you're really hungry. Maybe you have like a big workout this morning. So then you're gonna wanna add some hemp seeds for extra protein there. And then I like coconut flakes too. And so I add a little coconut flakes here. And then, you know what? Let's add some raspberries. Raspberries are super good, super high in fiber, super flavorful. Say that 5 times fast. And so you're gonna see like this amazing smoothie bowl, this green monster bowl. Woo! Let's try not to spill it and show you at the same time. Can anybody see that? Super pretty, right? We got a nice big smoothie bowl. It's lunch right now. Oops, are you there? So, okay, so I hope you guys try this. It's so good and it's so pretty, and like you don't have to spend like $10 for this at the juice place. You know, you can make it yourself. Like how easy was that? We just made it. And then what's even better is you guys have like your smoothies for the week, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna have me some smoothie bowl right now, and you know, happy Fresh Friday. Make it fresh, make it fabulous, keep it freaking real, right? And hey, thanks for tuning in. And I love your comments. I can't wait to read them because I don't have my spectacles on. I can't really see that far, just so you guys can see everything. And you know, tell me what you guys want to hear about, what you want to learn about. I'll be happy to make something special for you out of request. And hope to see you next Friday. And I hope you have a blessed weekend. And don't forget, if you're not following me at livingfresh.org, or you know, Living Fresh Org Facebook page, you can tune in there and see the latest and the greatest. So hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna have me some smoothie bowl. Bye.